A train ticket is low price, but traveling through PNR trains is not that easy. This is the common experience of regular commuters who use the Philippine National Railways or PNR. The trains are noticeably old, rusty, and worn out, and there's no air conditioning system inside. We tried riding the train from PNR Alabang Station to Bicutan. The fare cost only 15 pesos. The trip took 16 minutes. It was fast, no heavy traffic, but the train was shaky during the ride. It was also hot inside the train. Some passengers even suggest several ideas through which the PNR can improve its services.
Kasi kaya lang man hindi rin natangkilik ng tao kasi nga mainit din. Kailangan din i-upgrade din yung air condition nila.
Mas maganda po siguro yung baguhin nila yung terminal tsaka yung dagdagan pa nila yung train.
Para pong sa LRT, 'di ba? We're using the beep card, and then dun sa mga point to point na bus, the beep card na tayo eh. So parang on that sense po na pag-iwanan na yung PNR kasi yung pong ticket nila is still the paper form.
Trips are often delayed, especially when it is not the rush hour. The PNR management, for their part, are continuously improving their services. Currently, there are premium trains traveling to Los Baños, Laguna. Some netizens have also posted some images of premium trains which commuters approve of. Commuters hope for old trains to be replaced with new ones to deliver quality service for the public. Kuya Daniel Razon has recently tried the quality of public transport in Singapore.
Malamig ang kanilang lugar. Malamig ang kanilang aircon. Dito sa MRT nila po, ang lamig. Lumamig pa lalo. Habang bumibilis ang takbo, lumalamig. Diba? Hindi ka po papawisan ng ano. Hindi pa ganun kasi tumayo ka man. Komportable ka pa rin tumayo. Maganda yung safety feature.
Sana kung ma-achieve nga yung ganong klase ng transportation, ng mass transportation pero convenient, kahit siguro magbabayad ng medyo mataas-taas, malaki-laki ng konti, parang sulit na din yung ano mo dahil hindi pagod yung katawan mo kung galing ka sa trabaho o pupunta ka sa trabaho. Tapos aside from that, yung mga nagpa-private commute sa atin, yung gumagamit ng private cars, makukumbinsi mo din sila na sumakay ng public transport kasi nga komportable, hindi sila hirap.
Kuya Daniel has also tried riding a shared bike in Singapore. More details about Kuya Daniel's experience in trying out other modes of transportation on KDR TV YouTube channel. Aiko Miguel, UNTV News and Rescue, Manila.